Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Self Survival, and today I'm going to talk about the Leatherman Sidekick multi-tool. So I bought it for my father before a year ago, and he really enjoyed it. So let's start to talk about the tool. It comes with a really nice and comfortable sheet, a black one, and the multi-tool itself is pretty comfortable in the hand, actually. So outside we have a knife, pretty good one, razor sharp, and a wood saw. Actually it's a pretty strong wood saw. So next we have our pliers and needle nose pliers. Really good one, very accurate. You can see how it closes, very good and accurate needle nose plier. We have also a wire cutter, hard wire cutter in there, and the all spring action. Next we have our Phillips screwdriver and a normal screwdriver on this side, and on the next side we have a lot of things. So let's start with one. First we have a serrated knife, and we have also can opener with a bottle opener and a wire stripper over here. Next we have metal and wood file, and on the next side of this tool we have a ruler. We have also a keyring, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.